Hey, thank you. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Vaughn, and I just wanted to share some info that I think will be life changing for you. Take a look at this. Everyone in today's society deals with credit. And let's even be generous and say it's 50-50. Bad and good credit candidates. Now, what if people were more educated about money management and credit? Would it be reasonable to say then we could see an increase in good credit candidates? If you raised your credit standing and became financially strong, that's a win for your household. But what if you became the teacher, taught everyone around you the same thing, and got paid to do it? Win, win, win for everybody. Don't take my word for it. The link below will take you to the information you need to make an educated choice. You can contact me afterwards and get started. But I'm so sure this is going to change your life that I'm giving you a $50 cash reward gift card just for watching the presentation. See you soon.